The video you just watched was created with Seedance 2.0, a brand new model from ByteDance that's taken the community by storm. Everyone's talking about it, testing it, and the results have been outstanding, arguably better than any of the other models out there. Some creators are already saying this could change everything. Early demos suggest that Seedance 2.0 can generate content that many other models still struggle to produce. We're talking about higher realism, more creative freedom, and truly cinematic visual quality. And here's the part that really stands out. The videos look incredibly real. At first glance, you genuinely can't tell they were generated by AI. There's no robotic movement, no broken hands, no strange physics. Instead, everything feels natural, smooth, and believable. The result looks less like AI output and more like actual movie footage. And if Seedance 2.0 delivers on what people are expecting, high-end production may no longer require a Hollywood-level budget. That's exactly why the excitement around this release is growing so fast. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything we currently know about Seedance 2.0. We'll look at why the hype is exploding, and more importantly, we'll talk about whether this could become the new king of AI video. Alright, let's get started. So Seedance 2.0 is about to launch on Higgsfield AI. And this is a big deal for creators. Higgsfield is quickly becoming one of the fastest growing AI platforms focused entirely on content creation. Their goal is simple: build the most creator-friendly AI video platform in the world. And now, they're preparing for the upcoming release of Seedance 2.0. If you've been following the space, you've probably noticed the excitement. Creators are talking about it, communities are speculating, and early previews are already generating serious attention. But instead of relying on rumors, let's focus on what we actually know so far. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features that have been revealed. We'll look at what makes Seedance 2.0 different, and more importantly, why this release could change the way creators produce video content. Take a look at this workflow. First, we create the full visual storyline using Nano Banana Pro. This step helps us design the characters, scenes, and overall visual direction for the story. Each image becomes a key moment that represents how the video should look and feel. After that, we take those images and use them as reference inputs. Then we upload everything into Seedance 2.0. The system analyzes the reference images and understands the characters, style, and scene progression. And from there, Seedance 2.0 generates the final video. Instead of starting from scratch, the AI follows the visual plan we created. The result is a complete video that stays consistent with the original storytelling, style, and cinematic flow. Now let's walk through the major features and improvements coming with Seedance 2. These are the upgrades that could transform how you create AI video content. One of the most exciting features is one-click video recreation. With this capability, you can turn a simple sentence into a complete high-quality video. Whether you want to recreate a trending clip or reimagine an iconic scene, the AI understands the original style, structure, pacing, and creative intent. This means you no longer need to spend hours planning shots, editing timelines, or adjusting transitions. Everything is generated automatically, so you can focus more on ideas and storytelling instead of manual work. Next, Seedance 2.0 introduces unified multi-input control. This allows you to provide multiple types of input at the same time. You can upload images, video clips, audio files, and text all in one project. Seedance 2.0 automatically understands how each asset should be used. For example, one image can define the main character, another image can guide the environment, a video clip can control motion, and audio can set the tone and mood. You don't need to manually explain every detail. The system intelligently organizes everything for you. Even when combining many assets together, Seedance 2.0 keeps your characters consistent from start to finish. Faces, body shape, clothing, and visual style remain stable across scenes. This level of continuity is essential for storytelling, ads, and branded content where consistency really matters. Because everything works together inside one system, creators can produce more complex and professional videos in less time. Another powerful upgrade is frame-level precision. This feature gives you extremely fine control over your video. Every character, object, and visual detail remains consistent from the first frame to the last. Nothing randomly changes or shifts during playback. You can control typography, text placement, scene transitions, and the overall rhythm of your video with high accuracy. Instead of guessing what comes next, each frame follows a structured plan. As a result, your final video looks clean, stable, and professionally produced. This is especially valuable for advertisements, branded content, cinematic storytelling, and social media videos where small visual details make a big difference. With frame-level precision, Seedance 2.0 helps creators move away from unpredictable results and toward polished, production-ready content. Seedance 2.0 also introduces multi-camera storytelling, which opens up new creative possibilities. With this feature, you can generate entirely new storylines or extend existing videos while keeping everything naturally connected. Character motion, narration, background audio, and camera angles all stay synchronized across every cut. This allows you to create complex cinematic sequences without worrying about mismatched timing or broken visual continuity. In addition, Seedance 2.0 supports high-impact motion scenes. This makes it ideal for action sequences, dynamic movement, and fast-paced storytelling. The AI handles realistic body motion, physical interaction, and camera tracking automatically. Even when multiple characters interact at the same time, movement remains smooth and believable. Whether you're creating a fight scene, a chase sequence, or energetic social content, Seedance 2.0 keeps everything physically grounded and visually exciting. Pretty crazy, right? And honestly, this is just the beginning. What makes Seedance 2.0 so exciting is not just the technology itself, but what it means for creators. Ideas that used to take a full production team, expensive equipment, and hours of editing can now be created in minutes. That means faster creation, more experimentation, and a lot more creative freedom. If you've ever wanted to turn your imagination into cinematic content without the traditional barriers, this is the kind of tool that makes it possible. And that's exactly why so many creators are paying attention right now. Once Seedance 2.0 officially launches, we'll be creating a full end-to-end video using Higgsfield AI, so you can see exactly how to turn an idea into a finished cinematic result. So make sure to stay tuned for that upcoming tutorial. If you think I missed anything, or if you have ideas you'd like me to cover next, leave a comment down below. I'd really love to hear your thoughts and what you're planning to create with this tool. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials, updates, and practical tips for creating with Higgsfield AI. See you in the next video.